Mrs Owen is the examinations officer in the school and tells that she is a fan of Pobol y Cwm. Thank you for agreeing to talk to us, Miss.
What is your opinion on Pobol y Cwm?
I enjoy Pobol y Cwm because I feel it gives people the opportunity to listen to Welsh as it's spoken and to give people an opportunity to see what Wales is like in a normal setting, and it also gives me an opportunity to listen to a bit of Welsh as well.
And who is your favourite character and why?
Quite like Cheryl. She's quite interesting. She seems to always come through whatever's going on in her life, and there's usually something going on in her life. She always seems to muddle through, and she always strikes me as a very caring mum, who always looks after her little boy, whatever else is going on in her life.
What character do you dislike and why?
I suppose Gary Monk is not a particularly nice character. He never really seems to be doing anything positive. He always seems to spend his entire life trying to annoy people. But I believe he's now disappeared from the series, so he will probably turn up again. But at the moment, I'm quite pleased to see that he's disappeared.
Do you watch the programme with subtitles?
Yes, always with subtitles.
Would you like to appear on the programme?
No, I don't think so. I don't think that's me at all. Anyway, my Welsh is almost non-existent, so unless I could be an English-speaking character, I'm not sure I would help the storyline very much.
Do you understand any Welsh?
A tiny bit. A few phrases. But I also think that when I watch it, it does improve my Welsh. It does help me to get an ear for the language.
How often do you watch it?
I try to watch the Sunday omnibus if I can. If I get the opportunity, I'll watch it during the week, but sometimes that's not always possible.
What is happening in the programme at the moment?
I believe they're running a storyline about hepatitis B. One of the characters, I think, has just tried to tell someone that she's hepatitis positive. And I suppose this is an opportunity for them to use these storylines to help young people maybe get some information and possibly then utilise that in future.
Diolch yn fawr, Mrs Owen.
Diolch yn fawr.